Guys, you're trying to figure out how to add your own audio in your video or stuff like that, then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's choose a video, and this one will do. Let's simply use background. So let's say you want to add audio to this video, right? So in order to do that, you can simply upload files and upload audio from your device, or you can simply go to the audio. So if you have uploaded, it will come sit here. So let's say these are all the audio. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.